Some Wayfinder Early Access players are facing crashing issues or reporting that the game is not loading for some. Reports are pouring in about login difficulties and crashes, leaving some players frustrated and unable to fully experience the game. But before we get to that, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. For those who are lucky enough to make it past the login hurdle, a new challenge arises during the tutorial. Reports indicate that crashes are occurring during the tutorial phase as well. This interrupts the initial gameplay experience for some players. Many players have expressed their frustration at not being able to log into the game at all. Despite their anticipation to explore the virtual landscapes of Wayfinder, some are finding themselves stuck at the login screen and they are unable to proceed further. According to the support team, they have set players' limits to ensure game stability. Hence, some players might get errors when the maximum capacity is reached. The good news is that the issue hasn't gone unnoticed. The Wayfinder support team has acknowledged the login and crashing problems and is actively working to address these issues. That said, we'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you are watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.